Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing distractions. Unplug external drives and peripherals so hardware conflicts are out of the picture. Next, boot to safe mode using settings or Shift plus Restart. This loads minimal drivers and shows whether core software causes the freeze. While you're booting, make sure you have a recovery USB and your Windows key handy. They let you repair or reinstall if system files are corrupted. Once in safe mode, you'll have the control needed to diagnose drivers and recent installs without the full OS running. Once you're in safe mode, open Device Manager and look for warning icons. Roll back or uninstall the most recent drivers, because driver conflicts are a common cause of freezes. Then run msconfig to disable all non-Microsoft startup items and unnecessary services so you can isolate the offender. After that, check Event Viewer for critical errors and run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files. These scans fix integrity issues that prevent normal boot. Make changes one at a time, and if the freeze persists, perform a system restore to a known good point or use Reset This PC to preserve files while reinstalling Windows. These resolve deep software corruption. Also update BIOS or UEFI and reinstall drivers from the manufacturer's site, because outdated firmware can freeze startup. Finally, test RAM with memtest and check your SSD or HDD health. Failing hardware often appears as freezes during boot. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to revert to safe mode and a restore point before proceeding with hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.